Hello my luxurious ladies, welcome to my channel. I'm Lulu and here we talk all things luxury, specifically my two favorite obsessions, shoes and handbags. From iconic Christian Louboutin to the timeless Louis Vuitton handbags, this is your go-to spot for luxury shopping, styling tips, and everything in between. If you're as obsessed with gorgeous designer pieces as I am, you're in the right place. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this fabulous fashion journey. Let's dive into it. Today we're going to talk about these Louboutin heels and what we can do to make them more comfortable on our feet. Now, if you're anything like me, you love the way that these fabulous shoes look. But after just a couple of hours, if that, your feet are really hurting. So I'm going to go over what we can do to help with that. I have two products here. One of them is this Walk on Red by Angelus, and this is paint. This is paint that you can paint onto the bottom of your red bottoms, and it actually works so well. It matches the color of the shoe, so you don't have to worry about it looking, fake or odd or a different color. And you can touch up the areas where maybe you have some scuffs or you just have walked too much in your red bottoms. So this is a great thing to have on hand, so you can just touch up your shoes as needed. And then also from Angelus, they have this high gloss acrylic finisher. You can put that over the top of your shoe after you're done painting the bottom, so you can put that over the top of the red that you've painted on, and this will actually make it glossy just like the red bottom. So if you can see, I've actually painted this one here and you can see how glossy that is, and it looks just like the regular shoe. So looks really nice. But we're not painting in this video. In today's video, we're actually going to be using these new items that I found called Shoe Gummi. This is not a paid advertisement. I purchased these with my own money, and I purchased actually two different types. I purchased the medium and the smalls. I'm in between, so I'm gonna put one pair on these black Louboutins, and then I'll put the smalls on the black Louboutins, and then I'm gonna put the mediums on these wild Louis Wilds. They're more of like a tiger print, and I'm gonna put the medium on these and see which ones I like the best, and then I'm gonna order, if I like them, I'm gonna order some for all of my Louboutins. So hoping this will help. So we're actually going to start with this pair. The reason why we're going to start with this pair is I've already begun the process. So you can see here I started to file this down. I also put this on here as a marker to put exactly where I want my shoe, and I use this Expo Magic Erase marker to line it. The reason why I use this is because you can just erase this even just with the smudge of your finger. So I know this won't damage my shoes at all. So that's where you can see I've already marked off where I'm going to put the shoe gummy, and I filed it down. The shoe gummies actually come with instructions in all of the kits. But they also come with a little, it's actually kind of cute, it's a little nail file, and you can file down your shoe. So that's what I used. You just file it down like this. You don't need to file off the red, just make it scuffed up. See what I'm doing there? I'm just scuffing it up. I'm not filing off the red. Just scuffing it up, making it kind of a rough surface so that it can stick better. You see that? Just scuffing it up a little bit. Okay. All right. Next, you're actually going to warm this up with like a blow dryer. So I'm going to do that quickly. I'm going to heat these up with the blow dryer. I'm not going to do that on camera because blow dryers can be kind of loud, but I'm just going to heat these up quickly, hit them with my blow dryer. The notes here say to blow dry just for about 5 seconds, so it'll be really quick, and then I'll be right back and we'll stick them on. Okay, so this is the one for this shoe. I've already blow dried this for a few seconds, so I'm just going to peel this sticker off. I'm going to put this on, you can see it's sticky on the bottom. I'm going to put this onto the bottom of the shoe where I've traced the outline already. That looks so good. It's exactly where my outline is, and if I need to, I can just use my finger and just wipe that outline off with the scuff of my finger. So now I have a new bottom on the bottom of my shoe. The instructions say to wear the shoe for a while, then get that bottom to really stick on there. So we're gonna do the same thing for this shoe. I'm gonna peel this off quickly. And then I've already have it marked off, so I'm just gonna stick this onto the bottom of the shoe. Like so. That was super easy, and now I have this nice cushiony bottom on the bottom of my red bottoms. Let me try them out.